Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Palmyra to near Beloit, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Mukwonago, East Troy, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, North Prairie, Palmyra, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Hill Lake, Potter Lake and Powers Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Double Hunter!
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until midnight Central Standard Time. At 10:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 26 nautical miles south of Oshkosh to 25 nautical miles west of Milwaukee to 26 nautical miles northwest of McHenry, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters.